Royal Enfield has trademarked the name Meteor at the European Patent Office. If you're wondering where this name came from, here's a little history lesson. Back in the 1950s, the bikemaker used to sell a motorcycle called the Meteor in the US market. It was then replaced by the Super Meteor in 1956, which was subsequently replaced by the Interceptor in 1962. Going by the turn of events in the past, we believe the Meteor moniker might be given to a more affordable version of the Interceptor 650. In doing so, Royal Enfield would be able to maintain the premium quotient of the Interceptor while offering a higher value proposition, something along the lines of a Bullet 650. And considering the inevitable price hike of the Interceptor in the future, the Meteor might become the entry-level 650cc motorcycle for Royal Enfield. In order to make it affordable, Royal Enfield might adapt a properly retro-designed language for the Meteor.
Please do subscribe and enable bell icon for future updates. Be in